I'm gonna teach you guys how I make the process of my coloring book. It's called Consumed by Love. This coloring book is very different because of the fact that this is the first women that I've been drawing that have eyes, but the eyes are hearts. I came up with this series like a while ago. I have it in my journal of how long ago I've been like mentioning it, and to be honest with you, it didn't even start off as an idea of a coloring book. It started off as an idea of a painting series I wanted to drop for Valentine's Day. I kind of just been like falling back on painting a little bit, but I've been sketching a lot more of my series. One day I was just sitting on the couch and I thought about it. I was like, I should just turn it into a coloring book because I have enough pages of things to color to, you know, keep yourself busy. Like if you wanted to, you could take it out and frame them. Like there's so many different things like you could get out of my sketchbook. Let us get into it. So first things first, you're gonna wanna get your prints together. I got them printed at Staples on cardstock paper. This is just me organizing the pages, the front cover, the back cover, the back of the front cover, the front of the back cover, you know what I'm saying? And making sure I just have everything together. Even though you are gonna see the pages later, I just wanted to give you a sneak peek of some of them. I just wanted to show you the quality of the cardstock paper from Staples. Next, I got my laminator set up. I used the Scotch thermal laminating pouches, and this is me aligning it, just making sure that it's in the middle of the pouch. I do usually put it twice through, giving it a few seconds to cool off in between. Now laminating the back cover is a little bit easier because I can align it with the front cover. For both the front and back cover, it took me a little while to align it in the middle, but I'm so grateful for editing so you guys didn't have to see all that. And again, just putting it through the lamination machine, having it cool off a few seconds in between. So I realized I didn't show this earlier. Before I laminated them, as you can see, I have a 3-hole puncher that I hole punched the front and back cover before laminating. After laminating, I take my handy dandy single hole puncher and hole punch the holes after it's done laminating. And boom, I got a front and back cover done. But the job is not done yet. Now we gotta hole punch the coloring pages. I usually hole punch everything at the same time, but for the sake of the video, I wanted to do it step by step. Next, after you're done hole punching every single coloring page, you're going to want to make sure you use these reinforcement labels on every hole for each page. And this is super important because of the way I bind the pages together. Now I take my iPad and I organize the coloring pages in the order that I put them in my Procreate. This time around, the pages were in order. Usually they're all out of whack when I go pick them up from Staples, so I was super impressed. So finally, we're at the last step where we're binding it all together. Now, I don't really know what they're called, but I think these would be called binding clips, to be honest. I obviously would only use 3 because I only have 3 holes, and I'll put the book together. Now take an exclusive look on how it came together. I'm so in love. Thank you guys for watching my video. I was super excited to create this video. I'm super excited to be back on YouTube, and I will see you guys later. Bye. changing. It should be authentic. YouTube video. I'm gonna move. Where is my coffee actually? Creative to my channel. Because we're gonna do this. Oh my god, I'm cringing so hard right now. Lie. It's more like politically, to be honest, because I don't think anybody should support Amazon. I'm gonna just write take one. Whatever.